Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn how to show different sets by using a Venn diagram, and also we are going to see one example in which we are going to write the complement of a set by using a verification type problem. And for the sake of example, we are going to solve question number 3 from practice set 1.3 of maths 1 subject from 9th standard Maharashtra state. So let's begin with problem directly. See, the question is given as if U is equal to some elements are given in set U, that is the universal set. Set P is having some elements as 1, 3, 7 and 10. And from this given information, we have to show that the sets U, P and P dash, or we can say complement, by using Venn diagram. So I have already drawn a Venn diagram here. See, always remember, whenever we start drawing a Venn diagram, first of all, we should draw a rectangle or any other shape as a universal set. I have written capital U outside that rectangular box. Then set P is represented by a circular shape in this universal set, and the elements of the set P are written inside the set P as 1, 3, 7 and 10. If these four are the elements of P, then P dash or P complement will be elements other than the set P, which I have written over here: 2, 8, 9, 11 and 12. These are the elements than P, hence we can call this particular set as P dash. So basically, this complete Venn diagram is a combination of P and P dash. So this complete diagram presented by U, the universal set. Now second thing, we have to verify that P complement and its complement is equal to P. With the help of the diagram drawn above, we can easily understand, easily verify P dash dash, we can say complement and its complement is nothing but set. First of all, we are going to write the set which is given in question. P is equal to, before P, actually we should write U is equal to write the elements of universal set which are given in the problem. These are the elements of universal set. Then we have given set P. Elements of set are 1, 3, 7, 10. From this, we can easily write dash. Now see, remember always P dash or P complement. Whenever we write complement of any set, we exclude the elements of that particular set and remaining elements prefer to write. So while writing the complement of set P in this case, we are going to neglect these four elements of set P, and remaining elements we are going to write as complement. Its answer will be 2, 8, 9, 11 and 12. Now we have to verify that P complement and its complement is nothing but P. Now in this case, P complement means nothing but the elements 2, 8, 9, 11 and 12, and complement of these elements is nothing but the elements other than these all. It's again, so basically P complement and its complement is nothing but the set P itself. See again, listen carefully. We have to verify that P complement and its complement equal to P. Write it here. Complement and its complement equal to P. Now complement and its complement. P complement is 8, 9, 11, 12, and complement of these elements is nothing but 1, 3, 7, 10. Basically 1, 7, 10 is nothing but the set P only. Hence we can say that complement and its complement is nothing but the set itself. Hence this is verified. I hope you have understood this video with the help of this Venn diagram. Thank you.